best buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden. I love making everything that has to do with junk journals, and if this is something you enjoy too, please subscribe. Speaking of subscribers, I have a 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and all you have to do to enter is subscribe and leave a respectful comment. And a shout out to Anita, Nancy, Shelley, Christine, Lori, Joyce, Linda, and Princess Jewel. I appreciate each and every one of you. Today we're going to make these beautiful, beautiful, shabby chic little doodads, whatever you want to call them. These are little tags. And this one has little cards in it. And this one is a page. Flip over. You just flip it over on your page. All right, let's start with the little tags. So you'll want to punch out some tags. I used this punch here for these. And I used, oh my, where's my other punch? I must have set it somewhere. Just a second. Oh, no wonder. I confused myself. This tag does this stamp. And this stamp does this tag. Yeah, okay. So that's what I used to get that. So you'll want to take one of each. Move these aside. Then what I did was I got my distressed ink. I got my gathered twigs and my milled lavender, and I just went around the edges, which I'll do right now, and then I'll come back and show you how I got the other look. All right, I went ahead and inked around the edges on both sides of these four. So I'm going to get my milled lavender, and I'm just going to go around in circles and get that pinky color, it's a beautiful color, on the tag. And I am going to do both sides. Making things wiggle on my desk and making a little bit of a noise. I absolutely love milled lavender. Love it, love it. So, I hope everyone is doing fine today. It is a very nice day. It's a little chilly out there, but and it's a little hazy. It's not real sunshiny. I worked on the flower farm yesterday. Got some things planted. Things are coming up nicely. I'm getting excited. The farmer's market will be opening soon. Alrighty, let's see. Do I have them all done on both sides? Yes, this one needs a little bit more. All right. We're going to set this aside. No, we're not. We need this right here. And I need the darker one. Okay. So, which side do I want to use? I want to use this side. I think I want to use these sides. So I have this, these stamps, the stamp here. This is probably the side I should show you. And I'm trying to think of where I bought them. I bought them online. I wish it would say on here, but it doesn't. I love this stamp. Love it. So I'm going to go ahead and ink up this bottom part of this stamp, just like this, with the gathered twigs. Okay, and then I'm going to just lay it on top of this and push down. Oh, isn't that beautiful? That's very yummy. Very nice. And then I am going to look for my wipe here real quick. Where'd I set my wipe? Oh my. All right, I found my wipe. I'm going to do, once again, I'm going to do the other tag. Get this ink on here. I'm still trying to get used to a stamp without a back. It's kind of interesting. I do like it because you can get into places that you might not be able to get into if it was hard, but there's definitely a little bit of a learning curve. As with everything, I suppose everything has a learning curve. All right, I'm just going to lay it right on top and push down and then pull it off. Oh my goodness, that is really, really pretty. I love the pink on the tag. I'm going to wipe that up just a little bit. All right, then I would like to go ahead and stamp this one, but I'm going to switch my colors. Excuse the reach. I am going to grab my black and I'm going to get this stamp that I do believe they still carry it at Hobby Lobby. There we are. Isn't that pretty? That is beautiful. Just beautiful. Okay. Next, we're going to take our stamp, our tag, and we're going to get one of these beauties that we made yesterday. I absolutely love these things. Love, love, love them. I don't know which one I want. They're quite addictive to make. If you missed how to make them, they're in my video playlist. They are so much fun. So much fun to make. I think I'd like that one. Also, I need to put my little hole. So I used a little bit of notebook paper and a little tiny hole punch. And this one opens up down here. There we go. Here he is. And I am going to put him on using this glue, the fabric tap, because I'm hoping it adheres it quicker and firmer, because when I used the glue stick, it didn't stick very well. So I'm hoping that this sticks better. And the reason why it didn't stick very well, because we're going to put a hole in the middle of that after it's dry. We're going to go on and do some other things and hoping it's going to go ahead and dry for us. Now I'm going to put down the seal, the wax seal, and just a little bit on the fabric, not a lot, but just a little bit, because I want to get the movement of the material. I think I want it about right there. There we are. Then I would like to add a little sequin right here. I have these little sequins, and I do believe I bought them at, I have this light on. There, maybe that would help. I bought them at Joann's in the little bin section where they have inexpensive things by the paper crafts. That's where I purchased that. And then I'm going to put another little, got something on there, something dark. Get that off. Put another little dab right in the middle. Goodness gracious, I can't pick up that. I need my little pen to help me pick this up. It's over here. There we are. Okay, now I'm hoping this is glued down well enough, because I'm going to get my little tiny punch. And if you have a crocodile, I know the crocodiles have those little punches. I can't manage a crocodile. It's too big for my hand, and my hand's not strong enough. Oh, good. Look, guys, isn't that beautiful? I love it. So let's put a little bit of this silver floss. It's just embroidery floss, but it's silvery. It's so pretty. Let's put a little bit of this on here. Well, maybe we'll put this in here. Okay, two's fine then. I'm not going to argue with it. Oh my, so pretty. I'm going to go ahead and cut this just a little bit. There we go. All right, let's make our next one. So we need to go ahead and stamp the words on here as well. Move some things out of the way so I can bring this in. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. Set this aside. Look how pretty that is. All right, so now I'm going to put these two guys together, and we're going to get a little bit of lace. I just took some of my lace and chopped on it so that I can just use pieces. It's not the whole thing, just pieces of it. That's too much. We need smaller pieces. Let me find that lace. Just a second. Here the lace is. Like it comes in big sections like that. I'm thinking I might want this section right here. Let's try this. It might be too big. Try it real quick here and see. No, it's not. I think that would be very pretty. So I got this lace on sale at Hobby Lobby. It's that wide, really wide lace. Put this back. I'm trying to stay more organized, guys, because, oh my goodness, it got away from me in my craft room. I know you know what I mean when that happens. Okay, now I have this little piece. It was on a ribbon as well. I cut that out. And then I would like to get a little bit of the silver thread again, and I think I would like to get the black, have different colors. I'd like to get the black, and I think I can just loop it on here. I'm hoping I can. I'm hoping. Yes, I can. And I want a little bit of a tan color of thread. Let me get that. Okay, I've got some tan thread, and then I thought, I think I'd rather have the kind of the coffee dyed lace instead. I want a little heavier look. So I'm going to go ahead and thread these on. So I better put this fella on first. I'm going to have to tie that. I'm not sure it's going to stay. Okay. I might need to move that in the back. No, I think that's pretty. Now we need to put our holes in here. I want this to come down just a little bit. There we are. Put one on, put the other one on, and close it. Now, I would like to put a little, some kind of little sparkle on it. I think I'll get my pearls right here. I'm not real keen on how that sticks out like that. I think it needs to go in the second one instead of, man, that's a loud truck. Did you hear that truck? That's pretty loud. Okay, yeah, I didn't quite like it there. I'm going to put it here on the second one. So, and I do think I better tie it because it was starting to kind of come undone. So that way really didn't work very well. I'm going to need to stick it in there. I feel like I'm all thumbs. Okay. There we are. Get it in there. Now, give it a tie with a knot. I'm thinking that's going to be better and it will stay put. Whereas looping it over wasn't going to stay put at all. Now, I'm going to add a couple of pieces of pearls. Goodness gracious, it's stuck to my finger. Okay. Fumble fingers today. What is going on with that? I don't know. But I'm fumbling today. We'll get her done. And it will be beauteous. Okay. Get my pearl. There we are. I did it this way. Took the lace and laid it on the glass top because I don't want it to glue onto the tag itself because I want that movement to happen. And these, I just don't think this is going to work, this short one. There, remove it. Oh my goodness, you guys. I think it's beautiful. Absolutely, oh, you can't even see it. Absolutely beautiful. Oh my goodness, here is the other one. Looks a little different. And then here's the one, and here's the other one. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm going to end this video right here, but I am going to show you how to make the other two items in my next video, and I do hope you join me. I'll see you soon, guys. Bye now.